Here's the man. There's Bill right there.
What's up, Unc?
I'm Bill Carlton. I built my first truck when I was 16. And ever since, me and my guys have been out here creating with our hands. Building the biggest, lowest, baddest custom trucks and cars in the game. People don't come here for what they need. They come here for what they want. This is Texas Metal.
What's it like working at Ekstensive Metal Works where they filmed the TV show Texas Metal? Well, I, Tutorial Tony, work there. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it's like and how cool it is.
So we're watching Texas Metal, right? Down here, right?
You know, these trucks are already over the
Houston,
top.
Texas area. But we're in Humboldt, actually. But I looked this place up.
Man, we're gonna set this apart.
We're only 18 minutes in this place.
And add tons more power to this.
I have to call these people up.
Come down the road in this.
Oh, wow. January 9th, 2026. That's my birthday. You remember the TV show Texas Metal? It's 7 seasons. Well, 15 minutes from my house. And the actual company is called Ekstensive Metal Works. Okay. Heard that they were looking for a badass welder. Phone rings.
I'm actually going to work.
So right down here is Sunny Drive. And on the TV show, most of the time you see them coming out like this right here. They'll be coming out on a flatbed with the cars pulling out of this area instead of the actual shop, which is right down the road here on the left. Sunny Drive.
Right down here. That's it right there. The shop that I'm in, that's where all the magic happens. Here's the man. There's Bill right there.
What's up, Unc?
You tax in place and that'll be perfect. Man, really cool place. I like it. Stuff. And look at this fab table they built for me. Bill had this built yesterday. Wow. Man, this thing is freaking cool. I'm working on this truck this morning. Man, look at this. This thing is freaking cool.
Good thing your cameras are keeping watch all around. Inside, always calm.
Okay, it's a little piece I fabbed up this morning. A little cross member piece out of sheet metal. I'll fit in here. And I'll weld it out. And check this out. So he's got torsion bar suspension on it. Freaking cool.
This product contains nicotine. Nicotine is an addictive chemical.
Being more profitable as a business model, but it doesn't always mean we increase the revenue. So it's going to be transform money. So the people who come in, special occasion. So they change your number one preset, and this is
So, gonna remake this part. This part is fine. We just want a different angle to miss the swing arms. So I got the angle here, the measurement, I got all the math, and I got the math here. So I'm just going to relay this out and then subtract the math from it. Now lay the rest of it out like this. Bend it back up and lay it in there. Yeah, so for these, we got to bead roll a little bit tighter because that's just too tight of a roll. Okay, and to transfer these scallops over, I'm just going to make this little template, transfer it that way. To cut this out, I'll be using Bill's famous scissors. I'm sure you've seen these on the TV show. He's had them nearly almost 30 years, he says. Yeah, there we go. This is our bead roller. And what you got to do is you got to get it screwed down 3 times and follow this line. Oh yeah, that turned out really nice. This is going to be really beautiful. Okay, so there's the difference. Yeah, now look at that. That is beautiful. Both sides, absolutely gorgeous. Now I'll build some pieces coming off of here, clamp them up where they're square. I got that part of the tunnel done. So mock up. That is beautiful. This bathroom definitely has a 90s style man cave kind of garage theme going. Yeah, this is a Dodge Cuda. These are in here just like Clicos. These will be coming out and being welded up.
The actual name of the ad, and of course the TV ad is considered one of the greatest of all time. Coca-Cola said they received over 100,000 letters from viewers and radio stations with requests to play the jingle as a full call. So the ad is in the tune of the song. You'll go back in years and what they call the hillside singers.
That GTO. That GTO's on the TV show. There's a bike he's working on. Car back here. This is where they keep a lot of the layover steel. A little math trick here. I'm getting this set up here. Use a straight edge going straight across. I need to make some sheet metal going from here to here and on both sides, but none of this is exactly even or symmetrical. So typically, you're going to start from here, measure all 4 points, and then come down. That's what I did. You see, got the left and the right, which from driver to rear. And the math on getting this coming down, you measure from here down and then split the difference from here down, and that's the math you get there. You get those on each side, just like so. Since that runs even parallel all the way down, it'll be the same math. You just 5 3/4 plus 2 7/8, or minus 2 7/8 is just half of that. 2 7/8. I love this table. Ekstensive. Man, this GTO, sweet. This GTO is on the TV show. TV show is currently on hold this season because Motor Trend got bought out. Man, look at that LT4 engine. This is one that's been on the show that keeps coming back, that they were telling me about. So there's a lot to this area. I mean, not just they say the shop that I'm in, that's where all the magic happens, but there's a lot more around here. There's like 10 different bays of different stuff that goes on. Freaking cool. Look at this fucking truck. Beautiful. Those wheels. What are that, 36s? Yeah. Hell yeah. I know you've seen that on the TV show. Yep. Okay. Got this clamped in. Where that'll stay flat going all the way across. Now we can tack it in. It'll keep the sheet metal flat.
You still got the road work, and that is now a 66-minute stretch eastbound. So we got to reroute to 90 instead.
You can't go just off of math on this stuff. Everything has to be customized. You gotta understand, this car is 60 years old. It's like a human body, a human being. It changes just like that. It twists up. We might be putting straight parts in, but it's on a twisted frame from over years of abuse. Kind of like Cher. It may be old, but it's gone in for cosmetic repair a few times. How nice and flat that got since we put those stiffeners in there. Now this is what they call the Elephant engine. 1200 horsepower Dodge. Sucker's a beast. This car in the next bay's got the Demon engine in it, but this is the Elephant. It's in this CUDA. Wide body. Look at the extension on these fenders, guys. That's what we're working on. Check this beast out. What? Hell yeah. Look over here. This is the one that's got the Demon engine in it. Beast mode. Okay, so this is a really cool trick you'll want to learn. Actually, Bill just taught me this. This is one I was kind of struggling with, getting measurements. Just take you, well, of course I use cardboard, or this is chipboard, same thing, for making templates and stuff. But he said just bend it with your hand and make it simple, man. And you get all your measurements right here. You draw your little printout of what you got. I need to scallop this right here. Got that. Got this measurement right here. Got it all the way to the wall right there. Shit. Yeah, buddy. I like that. And I've used this to mark on another piece my angle that I want to make this to be. That's pretty much it right there. How that fits there. Kind of snuck up on it. Exactly. Let's see how it fits.
So we already did this. We increased funding for rural health care by an unprecedented $50 billion.
And we're really close. We just gotta take a little bend out of it. So not far at all. Really close. Alright, that's much better. We'll bend this down to meet that. Kind of feather it in. And if you want to know how to take some bend out, I can show you that as well. It's simply just turning, flipping it over, and putting a little pressure with the hydraulic in the jaws, and then you just take most of the bend out, and you turn it over and take some of your bend out on your dial, and then you bend it back again, and it comes out, looks like it's never been straightened. Even though this is a unibody car, we're still putting these stiffeners in where the frame comes in from the body. So yeah, we're tackling this other side now.
I'm Bill Carlton. I built my first truck when I was 16. And ever since, me and my guys have been out here creating with our hands. Building the biggest, lowest, baddest custom trucks and cars in the game. People don't come here for what they need, they come here for what they want. This is Texas Metal.